Before we get to your workout, I want to remind you that my 3-week MindBody New Year's Challenge starts January 10th, and you have to be an unlimited to get it. So join the link below. You'll get access to hundreds of workouts, recipes, inspiration, and my favorite community of amazing, encouraging people. So join Unlimited and then get into our New Year's Challenge starting January 10th. Link is below. We're doing a 5-minute arm workout today based on Pilates exercises. We're going to start on all fours. Have your hands underneath your shoulders. And I'm going to keep my right hand where it is. Spread your fingertips wide and reach your left arm in front. And then up towards the ceiling and turn and look at it. And then bring it back down in front of you. Okay, so I'm going to inhale, lift it up. I love to start with this opening and stretching as we work into our arms. One more, up high, and maybe even reach it back behind you. And then bring it back in front and stay here. Palm is down, pulse the arm up, 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 up. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out to the side, same thing, lift up. So we're getting into our rotator cuff here. We're getting into the back of the shoulder, between the shoulder blades. And last 2, 1, nice job. Bring it back down. Other side. So I'm gonna bring my right arm in front, and then I'm gonna lift it up, and I'm gonna try to keep my eyes on the hand as I do that. And then bring it back down. Okay, same thing. So I love using weights for arm work, and I love pairing it with this kind of work on the mat, showing you that you don't have to have weights necessarily to get a great arm workout. Reach the hand back, so I'm opening and stretching. Bring it in front, pulse the arm up. So you're trying to keep the shoulders down, and if you have to, you can do this laying on the edge of a bed or a couch, okay? Don't skip the arm work just because it's hard to be on all fours. Nice, bring it out to the side. Lift it up, up. 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down, nice job. I'm gonna bring my hands wide, and I'm gonna step my feet back and my knees back. So I'm balancing on my knees, and I've found this plank position here. I'm just gonna hold this for a minute. I want you to notice how it feels. Okay, if this is enough, stay here. If not, I want you to try to find a push-up. I'm gonna go down and up. So this is a regular style push-up where my hands are wide, my elbows are going out to the side. So Pilates push-up is different. This is a regular push-up. Elbows go out. Last 2. Last one. Nice job. Press back and stretch. And I'm gonna restack here and then come back down onto your elbows. So elbows are down and palms are pressing down. And what I'm gonna do is curl my toes and lift up. So I'm not only working my arms here, but my upper back. Now, this might be enough for you. If it is, you're just gonna take a breath. And when you're ready, you come back down. So you're just working on kind of this stability through your shoulders. If you feel like you want to move on, what you're going to do is straighten your arms. It's much easier said than done. So if you're struggling, I'm right there with you. And then bend your elbows right back down to the floor and rest on your elbows, okay? So you press into your hands and straighten. I know it's hard. And a great place to practice this is right here. Right on all fours. Elbows, hands, okay? So we'll all just do about 2 more. Elbows and hands. Last one. Nice job. Rest your knees down and then come all the way down onto your belly. Bring your arms in front of you. So my legs are reaching out. I'm gonna lift my legs, my head, chest, and arms, and I'm gonna swim. So I'm alternating my arms and legs. Again, we can't separate our arms from our upper back strength. So you're getting some of all of it today. And breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift everything up. Rest down. Bring your hands back underneath your shoulders. Separate your legs mat distance apart. And let's press up into a stretch. And then take your hips up and back. And restack. An awesome job. Thanks for stopping by today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.